Well, so in today's lecture, I'm going to tell you how you can connect an Android device and launch a native app by using APM WebDriver. We are going to cover which are all the mandatory capabilities which we are supposed to pass in order to connect a Android device. The first one is platform name. It is basically the platform of the device which you are going to connect. So in our case, we are going to connect an Android device, so it will be Android every time. The second one is platform version. It is basically the Android version which is there at your mobile device. So what you can do, you can go to the settings of your mobile phone and you can check what Android version you are having in that handset which you are trying to connect. Same thing you need to pass here. Device name. It's an optional capability. It will be only used if you are connecting an Android emulator. In case you are connecting the actual Android device, so you can ignore this field. The fourth one is UDID. It is basically the ID of the device which you are trying to connect. So where to get the UDID of the device? The question comes in our mind. So it's very simple. If you have APM installed in your laptop, what you can do, just go to terminal, write a command called adb devices. So it will return the list of all device which is connected with your laptop. Right now in my case there is no device connected with my laptop, that's the reason it is not returning anything. In case if anything will be connected here, it will surely return that device ID. So you will get the device ID from there. Just simply copy the device ID and paste it in front of the UDID capability. The next two capabilities are app package and app activity. So this I have already covered in one of my previous video. So just I will provide the links of that video in the description. Just refer that, you will get to know from where you need to get these two capabilities value. So once you are done with all these capabilities, you are ready to launch the app in your Android device by using APM. So below is the code to launch that, to create the object of the APM WebDriver and launch the calculator app in your device. Hope you find it easy. Just give a try and share the feedback. Thank you.